Welcome to the Allison Christmas Spectacular Sweet 16 celebration. The lights began in Christmas of 2008 with just over 40,000 lights. It was the Allison's son, Daniel, who had the dream to plaster everything in the front yard with lights. And boy, did his dreams come true. We have grown every year since and now have over 700,000 lights along the street this year, synced to the show. Jesus is the reason for the season, and He is why we do the light show every year.
All praise and glory to Him. Let's all celebrate the true meaning of Christmas.